Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, with a score of over 500, I bring you guys another Spider-Man live wallpaper and home screen setup. This time, from one of my favorite animated movies, Into the Spiderverse. This is going to be another one in my series on how to customize your home screen like a pro. A series where I show you how you can easily and quickly get these stunning minimalistic setups on your Android phones. So if you haven't already, make sure you check out the previous episodes. And following that format, I'm going to show you how you can take a basic home screen setup and turn it into something like this. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And don't forget to vote for the next home screen setup that you guys want to see from right within our epic live wallpaper app. So here it is, with all of the Spiderverse heroes swinging through an animated city. This is definitely one of the more trippy backdrops from the collection. With this setup, because there's so many colors already in that background, I've chosen to go for a simple black and white theme for both the icons and the widgets, allowing for a more transparent foreground to really show off that unique background animation. This setup will be running Nova Launcher using KWGT widgets, and to complete the look, I'll be using the Hex installer for system-wide customization. The link for these and everything else that you're going to need are going to be in the description below. Now, as a quick note, if you want that full screen edge to edge look for your home screen setup without those ugly signal bars, then make sure you disable the notification bar within Nova Launcher settings. And to get this comfy icon layout, make sure to head to Nova's home screen settings and change the grid size to 5 across and 9 down. And to really clean up your home screen, I highly recommend you turn off icon labels, increase your icon size, and if you're using a dock background, make sure to disable it here. Now that we have that out the way, the icon pack that we're using in this setup to give us this spotty black and white look is the Black Style pack. Just simply head to Nova's look and feel section and set the pack as your system icons. And before we go any further, make sure you grab this unique wallpaper from my very own custom creation app. Just simply head to the live video section and you'll find it there. And remember, if you have any wallpaper suggestions of your own, make sure to let me know from right within the app itself and boost the ones that you want to see next. Next up, these awesome KWGT widgets. Starting with the bottom of the screen, this minimalist music player, indicating the current song, the artist, and giving you quick access to music controls is number 11 from the K Music pack. Just simply load it to your home screen, then resize and reposition it. For a quick guide on KWGT manipulation, make sure you check out the video in the top right corner. Now, a good measure that I used for this widget, while increasing its size, is to have half of that white rectangle shape hanging off the canvas. Additionally, for the widget itself, make sure to toggle its padding option to push it right to the edge of the screen. And once you're happy with the look, let's move on to the second widget. But before we do, we need to make sure that we enable widget overlapping. You can find this at the bottom of Nova Launcher's home screen section. Just simply make sure to enable both of these options here. Now that we have that out the way, the second widget blending in with our music player is this simplistic transparent clock C30 from the KWGT clock pack. And just like the first widget, simply load it to your home screen and adjust its size. At this point, you may notice that the widget elements start to jump across the canvas as you're resizing. A good trick with this widget is to first align it within KWGT and then do the resizing and repositioning from within the home screen itself. Now for the third and final widget of the setup, this date indicator, courtesy of the Neon Rock pack, is number 22. With this widget, we're simply going to alter that default pink text to a black to match the rest of the theme. And wrapping up this setup, we're using Hex installer. This is going to give you a nice AMOLED friendly black backdrop with the colors of the theme splashed across the whole system, including the notification panel. Just use the color codes that I'm showing on screen. And alternatively, you can get a similar result using the app OneShade. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And if you have any theme suggestions or requests, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.